Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 18th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on gold, like I was saying yesterday, I mean, it totally looks like the wave 3, 4, 5 that you would potentially see at the end of a trend. The only thing that's going to prove this analysis correct is a breakup structure of the wave 4. It still has not broken that wave 4 structure. What does that tell me? That tells me there is definitely a possibility that it makes a higher low and continues a higher time frame uptrend. I still think that it potentially needs to make a big wave forward, similar to this wave 2 down here. But the fact that it has a broken structure means that it has not proven my analysis correct yet. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is the important structure which it has not broken. And we need to pay attention to our Fibonacci levels because if it does turn at a Fib level, go up and stop breaking structure, then we definitely want to go back to longs. I think I would personally be recommending shorts if you are trading the shorter time frames because to me it does seem more likely like it will go down and break this structure. But like I said, what we think is going to happen and what is going to happen doesn't always line up. Right now, the trend is up on literally every single time frame. This could be a higher low, higher low, higher low, and it could just keep on going up. So definitely pay attention to your structure, pay attention to your fib levels. If it doesn't break this low right here, then technically you should probably continue to be pretty bullish on the at least the mid-range time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.